If you want to download GOG games, this guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can grab your game, install it, and start playing with as little confusion as possible. Whether you are completely new to GOG or you just need a quick refresher, this is the easiest way to do it. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and gaming guides. First, open your browser and go to GOG.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the search bar at the top of the site. Click inside the search field and type the name of the game you want to download. GOG has a huge library of classic games, indie games, and DRM-free titles, so if you know the exact name, that will help you find it faster. After you type the game name, press enter or select the correct result from the list. This will take you to the game page. On the game page, scroll through the details if you want to confirm you're on the right title, then click the Buy Now button. Even if the game is free, the store still uses a purchase-style checkout flow, so this is the normal first step. Now, you will be taken to the checkout page. If the game is free, look for the Get for Free button and click it. If it is a paid game, you would complete the purchase here instead. For this tutorial, we are following the free game process, so once you click Get for Free, GOG will prepare the game for your account. After that, you will reach the next screen where you can install the game. Click Install to continue. At this point, GOG may ask you what method you want to use. If you already have GOG Galaxy installed on your computer, choose Open in GOG Galaxy. That will launch the app and connect the game directly to your library for a smoother download and installation process. If you do not have GOG Galaxy installed yet, click the option to download GOG Galaxy first. This is GOG's official game launcher, and it makes it easy to manage your downloads, installs, updates, and owned games all in one place. Once the installer downloads, open it and follow the setup instructions to install the app on your computer. After GOG Galaxy is installed and opened, sign into your account if needed, then go to your owned games section. This is where every game you have claimed or purchased will appear. Find the game you just added, click it, and choose Install. GOG Galaxy will begin downloading the game files and setting everything up for you. When the installation is finished, you can launch the game directly from GOG Galaxy or from your desktop shortcut if one was created. And that is it. You have successfully downloaded a GOG game and installed it on your device. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your game.